Taylor Swift is once again being dragged into a Hollywood firestorm, this time against her will. The pop icon is finding herself pulled into a high-stakes legal drama between actress Blake Lively and actor-director Justin Baldoni over the production of their film, It Ends With Us. And according to her representatives, the only reason she's being named at all is to generate headlines. At the center of the dispute is a lawsuit filed by Blake Lively in late 2024, accusing Baldoni of sexual harassment and launching a calculated smear campaign during and after the filming process. Baldoni, in response, has fired back with a countersuit claiming defamation, civil extortion, and invasion of privacy, not just against Lively, but her husband Ryan Reynolds as well. But now, the legal mess is reaching beyond the main players. Taylor Swift, who had largely stayed on the sidelines, is being formally summoned to testify. The reason? Baldoni alleges she was present during a pivotal script rewrite discussion at Lively's New York home in 2023, and that she, along with Reynolds, served as Lively's dragons to push for changes. A Game of Thrones reference apparently made by Lively in a text to Baldoni added fuel to that claim. If you ever get around to watching Game of Thrones, you'll appreciate that I'm Khaleesi, and like her, I happen to have a few dragons, for better or worse, but usually better, because my dragons also protect those I fight for. That dragon metaphor now sits at the heart of a legal spectacle. However, Swift's team has been quick to shut it all down. They insist she had nothing to do with the film's production decisions. Not the casting, not the script, not the direction, not the edit. In fact, they say she didn't even see the movie until weeks after its release, because she was busy touring around the world. Her only contribution? Allowing her song, My Tears Ricochet, to be included in the soundtrack, alongside music from 19 other artists. Yet, that hasn't stopped the internet frenzy. Even actress Isabella Ferrer, who played a young Lily Bloom in the film, suggested in an interview that Swift had something to do with her casting, something that Swift's camp flatly denies. According to Baldoni, the 2023 script meeting came as a surprise when he walked into Lively's home expecting a quiet work session and instead found Swift and Reynolds already there. He claims the atmosphere was meant to pressure him into accepting changes, but at the time, he responded positively, telling Lively that he loved what she'd done and appreciated her creativity, saying it makes it so much more fun and interesting. Despite his supportive tone at the time, Baldoni now suggests that the entire situation was coercive, and Swift's presence is being used as part of that argument, but her team isn't having it. In a sharp response, Swift's representatives called the subpoena nothing more than a desperate grab for attention, designed to turn Taylor Swift into a tabloid headline rather than sticking to the facts of the case. They're making it clear, Taylor wants no part of this lawsuit, but whether she wants it or not, her name is being thrust into the legal spotlight, perhaps not because of any real relevance, but because her star power guarantees public interest. Now the question is, will the court agree? Or is this just another example of celebrity being used as a weapon in a bitter legal battle? Either way, Taylor Swift's team is drawing a firm line in the sand. And if the courts don't see eye to eye, the singer might find herself in the middle of a Hollywood scandal she never signed up for.